What's up, YouTube? And welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B. And today we're going to talk about 12 things that you should know before you come to Memphis, Tennessee. Let's go. The first thing you should know about Memphis is three letters, BBQ. Memphis food, especially barbecue. Memphis is well known for barbecue and known for its pork in particular when it comes to the ribs, the pulled pork. Memphis also barbecue of all different kinds though, but pork in particular. Two most popular spots are a place called Rendezvous and Central Barbecue, which you can see right here where I ate at. Had an excellent meal at Central Barbecue, but I will say this, and they love their wet sauces, a lot of different sauces, but barbecue is king in Memphis, Tennessee. There's over 130 barbecue places I researched in the city of Memphis. That's right, all within the city. Also in Memphis, Gus's Fried Chicken you should try, as well as Gibson's Donut. The next thing you should do when you come to Memphis is you should go to the National Civil Rights Museum. Located at the former Lorraine Motel where Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. was assassinated on April 4th, 1968. The museum was established in 1991. This is one of the best museums in the country, extremely moving, and you'll get very emotional going to this museum. I've been here twice, and it's extremely moving. The museum offers historical collections, speeches, interactive exhibits, and the very room where Dr. King was assassinated at left intact, where you can go through and see. I mean, there's also the bus where Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat at. There's just so much history in this museum, from all different types of pictures and exhibits to, that's the room right there, the very room left intact that Dr. King was in, and descriptions of the shooter. So there's just so much to see in this museum. This is a must-see when you visit Memphis. The next thing you should know about visiting Memphis is you should know about Graceland. A lot of people come to Graceland to see Elvis Estate. It's complex, if you will. Just to let you know, the only thing you're going to see from the street really is the private plane. You will be able to see it across from the property. But the complex sits back. You got to take a bus to get to it, and it is really expensive. Now, I will say this. If you are a big Elvis fan, it may be worth it for you to pay the money. You get to see the jumpsuits. You get to see a lot of his outfits. You get to see the pink Cadillac, military outfits, cars. You get to see a lot of things. But if you're not a huge Elvis fan, you may not want to pay the money to see it. I didn't. Maybe next time, though. The fourth thing you should know about coming to Memphis, piggybacking off of what I said about Graceland. Graceland's located in a really bad neighborhood. Now, Memphis is known for a lot of crime issues. You're going to have a lot of spots with a lot of homeless people and beggars. Just make sure you keep your car locked, leave nothing out. Make sure you cover up all your valuables when you're in the area, and just take the normal precaution that you would take anywhere else, and don't be out late at night. There are a lot of cops, though, and in the tourist areas, especially downtown in Beale Street, but still keep your head on a swivel and watch out for your safety when you're around Memphis. The fifth thing you should know before you visit Memphis is the Bass Pro Shop is must visit. And you may think to yourself, it's only a Bass Pro Shop. But this Super Bass Pro Shop, which I previously did a vlog on last Friday, is absolute must visit. This used to be the building where the Memphis Grizzlies and the Memphis Tigers college team played basketball, shaped like a pyramid. Now you got a bowling alley, a restaurant, an aquarium, a hotel, and it's shaped like a swamp. There's fish, there's live alligators set up. It's all set up in nature. This place is incredible, and then you could go up to the top, and I mean all the way to the top, get incredible, breathtaking views of the city of Memphis and to the other side into Arkansas in the West Memphis. I mean, there's shops in here that sell barbecue sauce. You know, they sell fresh fudge. Look at the view from the top. This is absolutely incredible. It's $8 to go in, but if you can go up here around sunset and get a view up here, it's absolutely more than worth it. Not to mention the bar and the restaurant upstairs is great. The sixth thing you should know about Memphis. You may not think of Memphis as being much of a professional sports city or entertainment, but yes it is. They love the Memphis Grizzlies here in particular. They love college ball with the Memphis Tigers as well. But there's also a lot of love for the minor league baseball team, the Redbirds, who play in AutoZone Park. There's also minor league soccer here as well. So the sports vibe in Memphis is really good, and you can go to see concerts at FedEx Forum where the Memphis Grizzlies play. And the greatest part about FedEx Forum is it's located directly in front of Beale Street, so you can get out of a concert, go straight on over to Beale Street and have a good time that night. So that's one advantage to Memphis as well. But they love their sports teams here, so go catch you a Redbird or Grizzlies game. The seventh thing you should know is you should visit the Peabody Hotel. Now, you can book a room here. It's a little expensive, especially on the weekends, right in the heart of downtown. But if not, you should just go by and take a visit. There's a great restaurant and bar here. And then the best part of it is you can go see some ducks. Yes, they have a duck show. From 11 o'clock to 5 o'clock, they march the ducks down from the Duck Palace up high, down on the red carpet all the way down. They have their duck masters and all, so you can see the ducks march down, and you can see them march back up to the Duck Palace at 5 o'clock. Highly recommend this. The eighth thing you should know about Memphis is you should know about Beale Street. Everyone's heard of Beale Street. World famous Beale Street, the home of the blues. First thing that's kind of cool about it, well, now they charge $5. They didn't used to charge $5 to get into the entertainment district, but I think they do this to make sure they check all the IDs and keep all the underage kids and keep some of the riffraff out as well. But they charge $5 to get in. There's a ton of bars and a good time to be had. Now on Beale Street, you can drink on the street in plastic containers only, just to let you know. But there's a lot of bars and a good time on Beale Street. The ninth thing you should know about Memphis is the Memphis Zoo. They have pandas. It's really expensive, and it's $10 to park, so I didn't go in. 10th thing you should know about Memphis is you should know about the location being right on the muddy Mississippi River, right on the border of Arkansas, and it's actually right on the border of Mississippi as well. So you come on vacation to Memphis and you decide, hey, you know what, I want to knock out a couple states I've never been to. You can stay right across the river like I did in West Memphis, Arkansas, or you can go a little bit further and stay in South Haven, Mississippi, which is basically a suburb of Memphis. So there's a couple states that are right down the road from Memphis, locked right in with Memphis, and there's casinos right over there. Southland Casino, which is an excellent one that you saw in my last vlog, because there are no casinos in Tennessee, I do believe. So the 11th thing that you should know about Memphis is that it's located in the South. So if you go during the summer between, say, June and August to September, it's going to be very, very hot and very humid. Now, it's not bad winter, fall, spring, good weather. But if you go during those periods of time, you're going to sweat, and sweat some more. The next thing you should know about Memphis is you should know about Memphis in May, which is a huge event here every year in May, which starts off with the Beale Street Music Fest with all types of great acts on a 3-day weekend. Also, for an entire month, Memphis salutes a different country each year. It was Ghana this year. Got to see the queens and kings of Ghana walk around. Also, there's a week to celebrate barbecue with the world's best pit masters from all over the place. And those guys come from all over the world to win money to see who's the best at it. And you can go there and watch it yourself in person and cheer them on. And number 13, which is a bonus, is that Memphis is music. And you come here, you're going to see tons of live music. There are museums from the Memphis Rock and Soul Museum, the Stack Soul Museum, the Memphis Music Hall of Fame. There's music literally everywhere. This is a musical city. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace and travel. Lots and lots of travel. Thank you so much for watching. Please smash that like, subscribe, and share button. Please leave any comments below. I love to interact and help us to continue to grow as a travel community.